Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we finally got the rims, y'all. After 9 long months, we finally got the rims. I'm actually at my old stopping grounds at my old high school. I figured I'd show them off. It's also really freezing out here. Don't ask me why I didn't put proper clothes on. I just want to make this video and get it done and over with. The things I do for y'all. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, I also got a sore throat too, so forgive me. I have the hood up. It's also, it's not overheating, but there's steam coming out of the turbo. It's the pickup line. There's oil leaking out, dripping on the exhaust side of the turbo. So I have to get that fitting fixed. So let's go ahead and show you guys what actually the rims look like and tell you a story about how the rims came to fruition. For those of you who watched my stream yesterday, you know how I came to fruition, but I'll explain. Guys, here's the rims. Don't they look great, man? Shout out to the people at KRNC Forged. They're the ones that actually forge the rims. Their office is located in Georgia. The forging factory I'm guessing that's what it's called, a forging factory, is located in China or Japan. One of those two, can't remember right now. Looks great, man. So the story is, if you guys know, for some of you who are new to the channel, I had a WRX, a Subaru WRX, 2013 Subaru WRX. It's also been on the intro video on my Twitch streams and stuff like that. It had Work Kiwami rims. I think they were replicas, actually. I'm not sure if they were actual Work Kiwamis on the Subaru. And that was one of the best features of the car, was the rims. Everybody loved those rims, including myself. So I sold that car because I'm not going to get into detail why I sold it. Just know that I regret selling it to this day. I bought this car because I bought Slurpe because it reminded me of the Subaru, because it was blue, and I saw a vision that I can make it just look like it, minus if it being a Mitsubishi motor as opposed to a Subaru, but that's besides the point. So I went ahead and talked to the guys at KRNC Forged, told them what exactly I want, showed them the picture of the Subaru. They said, yeah, we could do that. They said, what kind of car you got? I got an SRT4. And me was like, oh, we get the specs on, we'll make them just look like the ones on the Subaru, but they'll be made for this for the SRT4. I was like, sweet. That was back in May, y'all. And the rims were like, I think I got a deal on them because it was Memorial Day when I bought them. I think they were $1,800 for all four. Might have been close to $2,000. I can't remember. I have to look at my Affirm receipt. Yes, I did Affirm to get these because I didn't have the money at the time. But at the same time, I do this for y'all, yo. I do this for y'all. You know, I know there's no sense in going broke over this, but sacrifices have to be made sometimes. Sometimes, and wrong decisions have to be made too. And you know, it's the nature of the beast when it comes to making content, especially in the car community. So I bought these rims. That was back in May. It's a 12-week process of lead time, and then it's shipping. Shipping usually doesn't take that long. At least that's what I thought, until they made them, told me they were shipped out to customs in Oakland, California. The motherfuckers at Oakland lost them. So I ended up, they ended up, because I was like, where the hell are these rims at? They're supposed to be here by September. And they told me that the customs lost them, so they had to remake them. I was like, oh no, that's not gonna work. I gotta get some money back or something for this, because that's poor customer service. They wholeheartedly agreed with me. They gave me $500 off the asking price, of the original asking price of the rims. So instead of paying what, like $2,000, I paid $1,500 for it. And I was quite surprised. And the owner of KRNC Forged actually reached out to me, called me. We talked for at least 30 minutes or so. I told him, you know, I understand. I wholeheartedly signed an agreement with y'all that there's a 12-week time, but it's gone beyond that. And I know you can't control what shipping and handling does, but at the same time, you guys lost customs. Somebody has to pay for the lost rims. And so he, no questions asked, did give me the $500 off the original asking price, and that was that. November hit, and I finally got the shipping label for the rims that actually led to well, the place I was going to move to until I had to postpone that, but that's besides the point. And I got them on Friday, this past Friday. And mind you, KRNC Forged, if you're watching this video, nothing, as you can see, there's nothing wrong with the rims, but in my opinion, I probably would not use UPS to ship them. Reason being is 2 of the packages were cut open. I don't know if customs did that or if UPS did that, but 2 of the packages were cut open, and I did not appreciate that. And what I mean by cut open, they weren't cut open on the top where the opening is. They were cut open on the side. That's stupid. So mind you, so I got skeptic, so I did open them early, and hence why I made the short on it. Took it to NTB yesterday, had them put on, and I was immediately scared because I was like, oh geez, they're not gonna fit. Well, they do, as you can see. Now I'm gonna close this video by a post I made on Threads, on Facebook and Twitter, for all the people that complain. This is not me being a stick up for them, because they made mistakes, but they owned up to their mistakes, and they were good on their word, and they actually made a great product. Y'all need to read the fine print before you purchase rims. They said 12 weeks wait time. It's not going to happen overnight. Because this stuff is coming from China or Japan. This stuff is coming overseas, man. Come on now. It just takes forever. And I had people reaching my DMs talking about, oh, they didn't wait for over 2 years. I kind of find that hard to believe that they waited 2 years for that. That doesn't sound right. Luckily, a lot of people, the people that did reach out to me, I believe they were taken care of according to KRNC Forged. I don't know. I'm not going to get into it with that. But y'all need to read the fine print. I'm not going to bat with y'all over something that was said in their original website and you had to sign an agreement for. Come on now, think about it. Think before you make your purchase. I knew this before I purchased it. The only reason why I complained was I was thinking I was going to get them in September, and it turned out I didn't, because it was something beyond their control. Thanks to, it could be politics, it could be a multitude of anything. People don't want to fucking work, that sort of thing. We don't know. We'll never know. But at the end of the day, I'm a satisfied customer. KRC, shout out to KRC Forge. If I ever buy another car, which I'm not getting rid of this one, not for the foreseeable future, but if I ever buy another car and I ever get rims, I'm definitely coming to them again, because these are absolutely beautiful, man. Absolutely the way I envisioned it. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Guys make great products. I will be buying a set of rims in the near future, hopefully, if I ever get another car. But yeah, I'm about to head back into my car and turn the heat on because I'm freezing my ass off here. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. I'm trying to reach my goal of 750. I don't think we'll make it, but I figure I'll put that out there. 750 subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. You know, the progress of Slurpe is doing good. I'm still working on getting some things together to pull this engine out. In the foreseeable future, clean up the engine bands, shit like that. So I'll have a video on that sooner or later. Might even stream the process, who knows. But anyway, take it easy guys, and see you guys next time.